Today we're adding Elmer's glue, some brown tan colored paint. We're going to add the color plaster paint on the back, and it is a Waverly paint. I absolutely love this paint, my very favorite. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of a heat to this. This is going to bring that crackle out that we all love so much. This is why we use the Elmer's glue, for the crackle, and there it is. We're going to finish these edges up and make it look really pretty. And then, you guys, I'm going to dry those edges up. We're going to add a little bit of patina around the edges. This is the dark brown, I believe, is the color of patina. It is a woodubend product. I absolutely love this product. Look at the depth this is going to add to this cross. It's just going to give it a little more... I went back and wiped a tad off. We're going to add a piece of Totally Dazzled. We're going to go in with some rub and buff around the edges. See the gold rub and buff on the brown at the top there, you guys? It's so gorgeous. I just absolutely love rub and buff. Then we're going to add a little bit of the 24 karat patina. I absolutely love this product. It's also a woodubend product. It makes everything so beautiful. It's just going to bring that gold out in the cross. Okay, here we go. That's the final cross there, you guys. But I went ahead and decided it needed a little more. So we're going to add some woodubend to the top and the sides. We decided on the larger pieces on the sides and the smaller pieces on the bottom. We're going to add some plaster paint. I love this color. It's not the company plaster paint. It is the color plaster paint by Waverly. Then we're going to add a little bit of wood glue. It's Titebond Quick and Thick is what I use. You can use any wood glue, but I use the Titebond Quick and Thick. I always feel like I get better results with that. So we're just going to add it on there, add a little heat. The heat will make that bond to the wood and make it become part of the project. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to also add, we're going to add a little bit more paint here to the top and the bottom, because we see some areas that did not get painted. And then, guys, we're going to add some heat to this, and then we're going to go back and we're going to get off all that glue. Each one of these pieces will get a little bit of rub and buff to bring out the details in them. I'll eventually get better at doing these voiceovers, you guys. Sometimes it's just so hard to think of what to say as you're doing it. There's the final product, you guys. I added a little more woodubend. It makes this product so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you for watching.